afternoon, my name is Alessandro Marin from AMB Italy. AMB is an Italian company with 3 sites in Europe, 2 here in Italy, 1 in UK in Newcastle upon Tyne. And our main business is extrude and create packagings for food applications. We can as well develop tooling and for thermoforming markets. We are involved in this business, and we have the capability to extrude in cast technology, blown film, printing machines, and lamination. So we develop this kind of technology through the years just because we were asking for our customers to create a better packaging and better solution for their own business. We are actually moving from the standard technology, which is the solvent-based technology, to water-based technology since 2014. We decided to switch in this kind of technology just because we were afraid and we were really scared about the rules here in Italy about pollution and, generally speaking, about pollutions in the world. So we were studying some different capabilities and some different technologies, and of course water-based has been the answer on this matter. Actually, the technology is really well applicable. It's really enjoyable and really technical, stable, just because we spent 6 years of time studying and creating new technologies and something like this. So why we move from solvent-based inks technology to water-based ink technology? Well, really, it's a simple matter. Because here in San Daniele, and particularly in Italy, we have very restrictive rules about pollution on the air. Since 2014, we really decided to move, and we just tried, because in this era, 2014, water-based technology in the food packaging industry was not really applicable. I mean, on printing on plastic and laminating on plastic, of course. So we start to try, and at the end, we figure out that water-based print and water-based glue, I mean water-based lamination, is really applicable. We really change a little bit our technology. We invest some money in new machines, of course, in new technologies as well. We change, of course, our mindset, because printing in solvent is a different matter. Printing on water, it's really skeptical, and it's really a different situation, which were not for us familiar, of course. But now, after 7 years of practice and 7 years of investments and new research, I can say that 100% of our production is now on printed materials with water-based inks, as I told, and as well on water-based glue. So we completely remove all the fire problems and all the fire investments, firefighting investments where we were asking to. Of course, another important issue on this technology is that technical problems like orange bubble and not good transparency on the film has been removed, because with this technology, with this kind of glue, we really have nice transparency on the film, very good quality on the colors, high bond strength on the films, and the final result, even for our customers, is really, really enjoyable and is really appreciated. This technology, I mean water-based print and water-based glue, it's really efficient, because the quality of the print is really the same. We have been able to print really at the same quality, and in some cases even better than the solvent, but with a very healthy space and with very healthy environment area here in AMB. Plus, what I should say is that we remove completely any risk about solvent residual in food packaging and in the food film. The other thing which is important, really important, is that moving from solvent-based glue to water-based glue, we cut the curing time coming from 2 days in just 1 hour or 2 hours. So our delivery time is much better than in the past. Now, for the future, I would like to say that we just need to improve a little bit our process, because now we are, of course, delivering as well some lacquered film with special lacquers on top, like touch effects, paper effect, wood effect, or something like this, again with the support of our suppliers. But for the future, we need to, or we want to we want to decrease the quantity of water that we are using, because of course water is an important material in nature, and we are just looking to recycle as well the water that we are using, just to clean the machines and something like this. And at the end, I even need to say that this kind of technology, which from us of course now is on the market, is really appreciated as well from our employees, because the roof here in production is much better. There's no absolutely risk, there's no air pollution, there's no smell on the air, and they really appreciate as well. So my suggestion is just to investigate this technology as we do, and try to figure out how to fit this technology on every single company request and on every single company needs. More, I can say that in these years where we study and we develop our product, we have been able to print not only our top films with water-based inks, but as well we have been able to switch our production from solvent to water-based inks even on our rigid films. So now our customers can really create a special packaging with very nice image as well on the rigid and thermoformable materials, with really nice quality and really nice high bond strength on the films. Another important thing about our transition, our technical transition, is that we decided to move away from solvent, even because in this year and in the future, our customers are asking for more recyclable material and more recyclable structure. And we need to deliver these kind of materials with technical solutions. So our company, which is able to start from the beginning and which is able to start from the study of the tray, on the print, lamination, delivery of the material, needs to give really answers to our customers. So starting from mono materials, low emission materials, mono components materials, and more recyclable inks and structures, we switch from solvent to water, even because we were really convinced that in the future we need to be more afraid about how to recycle the material and how to reduce the impact of the plastics on the packaging. And of course, I'm free for any contact and any question you will have.